पॉजिटिव थॉट का मतलब है कि मैं उसी चीज पे फोकस कर रही हूँ जो मैं प्यार करती हूँ, पावर ऑफ लव, एनीथिंग दैट आई लव। ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, सो नाउ, so thinking, law of attraction, everything happens on love, that we know very well. Okay, so but अभी हमको हमको ये पता करना है कि हम कैसे लाइक फीलिंग्स के साथ उसको कनेक्ट करें, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन में जो भी होता है, ओके, जो भी होता है वो फीलिंग्स के साथ कनेक्टेड है। हम्म से तो अगर हम देखना थॉट्स बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कि थॉट्स, मैंने पहले भी आप लोगों के साथ बात किया था ये सब, कि थॉट्स, सोच, हमारे जीवन का जो सोच है या फिर हम क्या बोलते हैं, वो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है कि अगर उसके साथ कोई फीलिंग ना कनेक्टेड हो। फीलिंग जब भी आता है तभी वो थॉट या फिर वो वर्ड्स पावरफुल हो जाते हैं। अदरवाइज, नेता जैसे आपने देखा है ना, मैं ये करूंगा वो करूंगा ये करूंगा, लेकिन बहुत फेक लगता है नेताओं को, क्योंकि डीप डाउन उसका फीलिंग है ही नहीं सर्व करने का लोगों को। वो एक्टिंग करता है कि उसको लोगों को हेल्प करना है, ज्यादातर। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियंस। मेनी पॉलिटिशियंस यू विल सी, they don't feel what they are saying. Do they really want to take care of the people? If yes, then it will show in their voice. That's what the feeling comes. The feeling actually activates the action, thoughts and the words. And that's why feelings are so important. बिना फीलिंग का तो फिर सोचिए आप कितना कुछ चाहते हैं जीवन में। मैं चाहता हूँ ये बनना, मैं चाहता हूँ वो बनना, मैं अपने फैमिली के लिए ये चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ। आप इतना कुछ सोच रहे हो, लेकिन वो चाहने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा, उसके साथ फीलिंग, इमोशंस डालना। इसीलिए हम लोग विजुअलाइजेशंस करते हैं, राइट? ताकि, और विजुअलाइजेशन में हम क्या बोलते हैं कि इमेजिन करो एज इफ आपको ऑलरेडी मिल गया है, वो फीलिंग लाओ, फीलिंग लाओ, गुड फीलिंग लाओ। Because it's only when the feeling comes in, that's when the thought becomes powerful. The same thing is being discussed here. Emotions को लाना है। एंड फिर यहाँ पे बोल रहे कि आप जो भी देते हो, आप वही वापस आता है। मैंने वही हमने लास्ट टाइम भी हमने डिस्कस किया, व्हाट यू गिव आउट कम्स बैक। हम अगर प्यार गिव आउट करते हैं, प्यार कम बैक आता है। हम अगर अच्छे फीलिंग्स गिव आउट करते हैं तो अच्छे फीलिंग्स कम्स बैक, इट कम्स बैक टू अस इन गुड सर्कमस्टेंसेस, इन गुड सिचुएशंस। हम जो भी, तो बोल रहे कि अगर जॉब में आप खुश नहीं हो, और अगर आप बार बार बोल रहे हो मेरा बॉस ये है, मेरा बॉस वो है, ये प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, वो प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि वो, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग आउट व्हाट, यू आर नॉट गिविंग आउट लव, यू आर गिविंग आउट समथिंग दैट इज नॉट लव, यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन थिंग्स दैट यू डोंट लव। तो आप प्यार नहीं दे रहे हो, तो प्यार कैसे आएगा? इसलिए और ज्यादा आपका बॉस प्रॉब्लम करता है, आपका कंपनी में आपको काम का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, एंड एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज आप बार बार इमोशन के साथ फील कर रहे हो, आपका बॉस इतना बुरा है, बॉस आपके साथ इतना बुरा कर रहा है, इमोशन के साथ बार बार फील कर रहे हो। तो वट एवर यू आर गिविंग आउट, इट इज कम बैक टू यू। सो be very mindful about what you are thinking and what you are feeling, because that comes back to us manyfold. hmm? तो इन द सेम वे, इवन मनी को लेके हम जैसे सोचते हैं ना कि पैसा पैसा, ज्यादातर लोग पैसा चाहते हैं लेकिन पैसे को लेकर दुखी होते हैं। दे आर नॉट यूजिंग द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज वेन एवर दे थिंक ऑफ मनी दे से आई डोंट हैव, जीवन में कुछ नहीं है, कितना वो, पैसे नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स। सो दे आर फोकसिंग ऑन नहीं है, एनीथिंग दैट नहीं है का, दैट जो प्यार नहीं है। लेकिन अगर आप फोकस करो कि वाह, कितना कुछ है, या फिर मैं जब आई एम गिविंग आउट सो मच ऑफ, जब पैसे दे रहे हो, आप क्रिंज नहीं कर रहे हो, माय गॉड कितना पैसा चला गया, कितना पैसा चला गया, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स। आप उस पे फोकस नहीं करके आप सोच रहे हो कि यू नो कि अच्छा कितनों का भला हो रहा है, बिकॉज मैं, आप वन हो ना, यू आर वन, इट इज नॉट जस्ट, हमको, हम, इट्स एन इल्यूजन, ये इल्यूजन है कि हम अकेले हैं, मैं, मेरा परिवार, मेरा घर। लेकिन आप जब वन फील करोगे सबके साथ, पैसे भी दोगे, तो लगेगा कि तो मैं तो खुद ही को दे रही हूँ, मैं किसको दे रही हूँ, खुद ही को दे रही हूँ, तो अच्छा, खुश, सब खुश रहे, क्योंकि मैं, सब सब तो मैं ही हूँ। उसके पास जा रहा है का मतलब है मेरे पास ही तो आ रहा है, राइट? और इस खुशी के साथ जब हम पैसे देते हैं, पैसे मैनीफोल्ड आता है, सेम फीलिंग्स, बिकॉज, सॉरी, because like I'm feeling good about money. Yeah. So this is what you, so at the same time, good feeling means, good feeling is gratitude, joy, all these things. Think about the good feelings ना, आप लोगों को मैं बोलती हूँ content feel करो, appreciation feel करो, acceptance feel करो, gratitude feel करो, these are very very good emotions. और भी अच्छा अच्छा क्या है आपके जीवन में, उसको focus करो. So good feelings का मतलब है, when you are giving out good feelings, you are actually giving out love. गुड फीलिंग का मतलब ही है आप प्यार में हो, प्यार दे भी रहे हो सबको, कोई भी फीलिंग हो. लेकिन इफ इट इज अ गुड फीलिंग, यू आर एक्चुअली गिविंग आउट लव, एंड बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग आउट लव, इट इज 100% श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बैक लव. और कभी ऐसा मत, कभी कभी ना हमको लगता है, हम कभी कभी ऐसा सोचते हैं, हमने तो किया बहुत है लोगों के लिए, क्या मिला. हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, तुम देखो मैंने कितना कुछ किया लेकिन कुछ नहीं मिला. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, when you are doing this with this kind of thought, it is a transactional thing. Okay, you're not doing with a feeling of love. Second is, sometimes the same person will not give back to you, sometimes the same person might betray. तुमने बहुत किया होगा, लेकिन उस वो आदमी आपके आपके साथ खराब बर्ताव कर सकता है. बट कभी मत सोचो आपका जीरो चला गया है. Anything you give out is going to come back, because you have given out love. Love in some or the other way is going to come back to you. Yeah. So like in my life I have seen कि जब भी प्रॉब्लम में होती हूँ ना, झमेला है, प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन कहीं ना किसी तरीके से जीवन में सपोर्ट आ जाता है. ओके. एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड, इट्स सच एन अमेजिंग फीलिंग. इससे हमारा लाइफ चेंज होता है, हमारा प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. गुड फीलिंग का मतलब है जल्दी जल्दी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा, आप जितना ज्यादा गुड फीलिंग में रहोगे. लाइफ में कितना भी प्रॉब्लम हो, बट अगर आप फोकस प्रॉब्लम में नहीं करके, अच्छा क्या है उस प्रॉब्लम में, अच्छा क्या है उस पे फोकस करो, गुड फीलिंग्स, गुड इमोशंस, गुड थॉट्स, इट इज गोइंग टू सॉल्व वेरी फास्ट, फ्रेंड्स. And you know my cousin knows, Apurva Deshi. No, she called me day before yesterday, शनिवार के दिन मॉर्निंग उसने मुझे कॉल किया, and we could not speak because I was in the middle of a crisis. मैं एक क्राइसिस के बीच में थी. सुबह मैं दूध गर्म करने गई, पूरा बॉइलिंग दूध मेरे, देखो इस अभी भी यहाँ पे देखो, अभी छोटा सा दाग है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू, द miraculous story, the magical story. Boiling milk, पूरे मेरे, it slipped and it fell on my hand. यहाँ तक पूरा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक गिरा, पैर में full foot, it fell on my foot. And after that, I'm a little bit of independent person. I said, no, I'm not going to call anybody, let me first see what I can do. I thought, okay, I will go to the pharmacy, buy some Bernol, and I will apply. Then I know, because my brother is a doctor, many things I know naturally that, acha, first you should not put anything. You just have to immerse yourself in cold water. The cold water, I was trying to, I dipped my hand, my legs in water, but it was so burning. I cannot explain to you. I was, you know, जल गरम पानी नहीं, गरम दूध, boiling hot milk fell on my hand and my leg. Can imagine the kind of burning sensation it was happening, and I was I was like howling, shouting, and I was like kya karu, kya karu, kya karu, and like then I just dipped. Nothing was working. And then I just gave up, and I said, Ridan, please call the neighbors opposite to us, Smriti and her husband Vipin Bhaiya. And they came, especially Vipin Bhaiya, the neighbor, he was there with me for 3 hours, I think 3 to 4 hours, I think he was with me. 1.5 to 2 hours he tried. I cannot tell you the kind of protection I got. Immediately Smriti called up other friends of Ridan's friends mothers, and Smriti called up all the other friends. They start sending ice packs, and still it was not subsiding. The burning sensation was not subsiding, it was burning, the ice packs. Then Bhaiya ordered, these 10-minute things are so good. Then he ordered these big ice cubes packets two ice cube packets and they were put on the bucket so that I feel better, because इतना जल रहा था कि मुझे लग रहा था आइस भी कम पड़ रहा है, जल रहा है, जल रहा है, जल रहा है, for 1.5 2 hours. And see, so many things are happening. You might see, oh, life kitna bura hai. Okay, I'll tell you a few more stories. Then what happened is, he said, I think we should go to the doctor. It's not subsiding, kam nahi ho raha hai aapka, doctor ke paas jana hai. So he immediately again took me to the doctor. After 1.5 2 hours, the doctor did the dressing, cleaning, and after the cream, I started feeling better. And I was giving antibiotics also. And I was thinking, for women, आप meditate करो and everything, and I also know this body, I'm not the body, I'm not the mind. फिर भी ना women का डर है कि यार दाग पड़ जाएगा. And and I was like, oh my God. But so all these things are happening. Hmm? You might be thinking that I might be really thinking मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, इतना बुरा हुआ, देखो एक के बाद एक, कुछ दिन पहले सिस्ट को लेके मैं इतना भुगती, फिर ये. बट the whole process, even if it was burning, उसका पेन से मैं चिल्ला रही थी. But deep down, I was like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I was telling them, I'm so grateful. आपके वजह से मैं बच गई, आपके वजह से बच गई. I was just telling that, you are God sent. All the people, they were God sent. I was like feeling so grateful inside, instead of feeling के यार फिर से अकेली हूँ घर पे, कोई नहीं है, फिर से. Instead of that, I was sending out naturally. Mera na emotions of gratitude was coming. The way he was, especially Spriti was in fast, and their daughter had also had fever. So only Bhaiya could stay with me for 2 hours, 3 hours, and he was like the whole time, like the time I was dipping my hands and my legs in the bucket, he was there with me throughout, seeing whether the sensation is going or not or whatever. Then Bernol laga rahe, ye laga rahe hai, and everything. And I was thinking, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. How come, I have so many. And from there, I had two learnings. Two learnings. One is I always have this learning, but it is a reminder. I would not say it's a learning. It's a reminder for me that, हम कभी कभी ना, we become very arrogant, thinking we are spiritual, we are better than others. Okay? But these people, they don't meditate. They don't do anything. But see the kind of compassion, love, and, help they have given me. Without being meditators, without being spiritual. हमको लगता है हम बहुत महान हैं और कोई महान नहीं है जीवन में. Right? So this was one of my reminder that, everybody has God in them. They are gods. That's why they could feel my pain. भगवान नहीं होते तो कैसे मेरा पेन तो फील ही नहीं करते. And the second thing is that because I gave gratitudes like hell, I was so joyful, I was so happy, even despite of those pains and whatever was happening. मैं खुद surprised हो गई कि why there is no blister at night. The doctor, even the leg, you should see the kind of burning. There's no blister on my hand, legs, and everybody was, and in between. So I have to now, another example, I have to now leave Ridan and go. By that time, SGI, was Soka Gakkai, the organization that I'm in. I still join. I'm not as a leader, but as a member. And there was a program the next day for kids. And they take care of kids also so well. So a boy, like a man came, he takes care of the kids, and he is responsible for. Ridan was the anchor for the show, for the meeting the next day, the Sunday. So he came, and I said, okay, his name is Mahendra. I said, Mahendra, can you please take care of the house because my cook is going to come. तुम उसको बोलो ये खाना बनाना है. Even I didn't have to worry because Mahendra was at home taking charge, telling the cook what needs to be cooked and taking care of Ridan. By the time I came back after dressing, I heard Ridan, I think out of tension or what, because he saw me in such state, the whole milk and everything, he vomited for 4-5 times and he was completely drained. See the protection. मैं इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ, don't focus on जीवन में problem क्या है. प्रॉब्लम सबके जीवन में आएगा. पास्ट लाइफ जब कर्मा है ना, सबके जीवन में प्रॉब्लम आएगा, लेकिन प्रोटेक्शन देखो. रिदान वॉमिट कर रहा है लेकिन महेंद्र है उसके साथ में टेक केयर करने के लिए. एंड देन माय कुक केम, and the cook I came and I said, what is happening? He said he vomited. My cook, I told you, she's like a family member. She takes care of me like a mother. She immediately made ORS for Ridan, and she immediately started making Ridan drink ORS. And he became all right in 3-4 hours. See, itna panic. There was so much of panic in the morning, as if I will have blisters. The doctor was saying that if it doesn't, आपका अगर बहुत problem है, plastic surgeon के पास जाना पड़ेगा, this, that, and everything. Yeah, nothing was needed. Nothing needed. Ridan also had so much of vomiting and everything. Nothing needed. It only happened because I had such a positive attitude. इतने प्रॉब्लम में भी ना आई वॉज ओनली गिविंग ग्रेटिट्यूड इमोशंस ऑफ जॉय थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू आई एम गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन okay so friends this is so important and on top I got so much of protection that Mahendra is a chanter. I told you, right? Even that organization is also very powerful. The chanting is powerful. He immediately said, Didi, I'm sending chanting to you. I was chanting that you should be all right, you should be all right. And I have a few more people. I am sure once I inform them, they must be meditating, sending me energies. And see, this is the magic. That's what I'm saying. Don't meditate thinking that, oh, I will only feel good. But because you will feel good, you will also, because you're giving out love, see the kind of love it poured onto me like anything. I don't want to bother people, but people, मैंने बोला कि भैया आप चले जाओ, कितना घंटा आप रहोगे, मैं संभाल लूंगी, मैं बकेट में पानी घुसा के रख दूंगी, आप चले जाओ चले जाओ. बोले अरे मेरा क्या काम है, मैं घर में जाके क्या करूंगा करके. He was just sitting beside me throughout those 3-4 hours. This is the kind of support we get, friends. And also, this is the kind of support when we do seva, not just meditation and feelings. When we do seva, it means I'm creating causes, and the causes comes back to you. Whatever you give out comes back, right? This book is talking about. This is what happens. Okay. Meenakshi, if you want to leave, you can leave because I still have the study left. Okay. So then, friends, so this experience along with it I'll share. Okay, then in this chapter the author says, okay, feeling okay. I feel okay, I feel okay. It also depends on whether feeling okay is a good feeling or not. Okay feeling, not bad, not very good, but okay feeling. ये भी गुड फीलिंग है कि नहीं, ये डिपेंड करता है सिचुएशन पे. अगर आप हमेशा डिप्रेस्ड हो, यू आर फीलिंग वेरी डिप्रेस्ड सिंस क्वाइट सम टाइम, एंग्शियस since quite some time, and suddenly you feel okay, that means it is a good feeling. You are feeling a little better than what you were feeling. But if you're always feeling okay, that means it is not. You should be feeling very happy, joyful, a feeling of it is not that kind of joy. Okay, जहाँ पे उन्माद फिर उसके बाद दुख. It's a different kind of feeling, a different kind of internal joy that comes, and he says we should focus on feeling good, and it can be intensified, these feeling. That's why if I tell you that when you have I tell you, right, when you visualize, I say intensify the emotion, not just feel ke, oh, I'm feeling so good, I'm feeling so safe का भी intensity कर सकते हो, good feeling का safe, more safe, more safe, more safe. Abundant, more, feeling well-being can be intensified. This emotion can also be intensified. All emotions can be intensified to n degree, infinite degree तक हम इस इमोशन को इंटेंसिफाई करते हैं. और जितना इंटेंसिफाई करेंगे, इसका मतलब है मेरा प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व होगा, बिकॉज मैं बहुत हाई वाइब्रेशन वाले इमोशन में मैं जी रही हूं. ओके, ठीक है. देन yeah so again, that is what, you always count the things that you love. That's how you can. मैंने आपको सिखाया था ना कि कैसे आप इमोशंस को कैसे इंटेंसिफाई करोगे या फिर अच्छा कैसे फील करोगे. आप काउंट करो जो चीज आपको पसंद है, नहीं, नॉट द थिंग्स दैट यू डोंट लव. डोंट फोकस ऑन द थिंग्स जो मुझे ये पसंद नहीं, वो पसंद नहीं, वो पसंद नहीं. फोकस करो तुमको क्या पसंद है. एंड I'll tell you the story. So Mahendra was there throughout that day, okay, because they were preparing script for Ridan, and by the time I came back, Mahendra said, I'm so worried. आपका ऐसा है, बेटे का ऐसा है, कल हमारा मीटिंग है, मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है and everything. I said, don't worry, we will be okay, don't worry, Mahendra. And I said, Ridan will also be, and he was lying down by the time हम लोग आए ना, आई केम, रिदान वाज ऑलमोस्ट फ्लैट, बिस्तर पे सो गया, इतना बार वॉमिट किया, बिस्तर पे सो गया। मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं, डोंट वरी, दीज आर ऑल, इसको ना इन इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ चैंटिंग इट्स कॉल्ड डेविलिश फंक्शंस। कोई भी चीज अच्छा, या फिर आप कुछ कॉज क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, गुड कॉजेस, इट इज अ सेवा, राइट? नेक्स्ट डे रिदान वाज गोइंग टू डू सम सेवा फॉर एंकरिंग इन द मीटिंग, एंड this is what happened. Normally, because of my training, I'm so blessed. From the previous organization, I have been trained so well. So I did not give up. I said, don't worry, we will be fine. You know, Ridan will be fine in few hours and then you can do the anchoring. So he came back again in the evening later to make the script and do the anchoring. So I could hear their chats. दोनों बात कर रहे. So Mahendra was encouraging Ridan that, I'm so, so happy that, you have so much of courage. You felt so ill and still you did not give up. You said, I will do anchoring, and you now see you are fresh. You are doing anchoring with me and everything. And immediately Ridan, like every child who loves his mother, he said, my mother is more courageous than me. Okay. and and I was just overhearing their discussion, and and then Mahendra said, and they were discussing about phoenix. Phoenix. Have you heard about the bird called phoenix? Do you know the quality of phoenix? किसको पता है phoenix की quality? Phoenix is a bird. They say it is a bird which can also rise from fire. It can rise from ashes. It will not burn in fire. Okay. So whenever you talk about, especially in that previous organization, we were always encouraged, become like phoenix. Any problem, har mat manna, ekdam niche se bhi, yes, you can leave. Niche se bhi you can rise. And then what happened is, this is what, and they were talking, and then they said ke, they were talking about phoenix rising from ashes and everything. And then they said, Ridan said, my mother is more courageous than me. And Mahendra said, yes, your mother has literally proved phoenix rising from ashes because she has burnt her body. So it was fun. But I just realized that when you have this kind of attitude, not giving up, okay, not giving up, not, not thinking that, oh, this is over. I think I cannot do it anymore. It says Ada. The moment your emotions will go into negative spiral, you will see your things are not going to change. Thankfully that day my emotions were going high. The more I was going through problem, the more I was becoming happy and ready to challenge, the more I was feeling grateful. That's why, just in 4 or 5 hours everything sorted and everything came back to place. And next day, Ridan, yesterday actually, he performed so well. I got feedback that he did so well as an anchor. So see, finally everything went well despite of so many challenges. It only happens we have good emotions and positive thinking, friends. Okay. This is what it is talking about, that always focus. Yeah, I think we are done. Yeah. So last, I would just end with the last paragraph, that if that she ends with is, if you have been living your life saying to yourself, I will be happy when I have a better house. I will be happy when I get a job or promotion. I will be happy when the kids are through college. I will be happy when we have more money. I will be happy when I can travel, or I will be happy when my business is a success. You will never have those things because your thoughts are defying the way love works. They are defying the way law of attraction works. When you say, I will be happy when I will have this, iska matlab hai you are not happy now, right? Then no matter how much you are dreaming that ये जब हो जाएगा मैं खुश होंगी, वो भी नहीं होगा और कभी आप खुश भी नहीं हो पाओगे. So focus on how can you be happy right now? We always think about, most of the time we think that I want a happy life, I want a happy life, I want a happy life. But how does that happy life happen? हैप्पी लाइफ कैसे होता है? जब हम छोटा 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 हैप्पी हैप्पी मोमेंट्स को लिव करते हैं ना, एवरी मोमेंट को। अभी मैं खुश हूं कि नहीं, अपने आपको पूछो कि मैं खुश हूं कि नहीं। अगर नहीं हूं तो क्या कर सकती हूँ? उस पे वर्क करो। एंड देन these स्मॉल स्मॉल बिट्स, दे मेक अ वेरी हैप्पी लाइफ। ओके, थैंक you very much everybody. Hope you always remain happy, joyful, hopeful, grateful for a good life. Okay, bye bye.